Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 50 TDI Quattro Tiptronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 50 TDI, you get a 3-litre turbo diesel engine producing 281 brake horsepower with 600 Nm of torque. This vehicle also comes with the optionally added comfort and sound package, offering 360-degree camera system and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, to name a couple. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch 10-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key fob or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. And as this vehicle is fitted with the 7-seater package, you get the electrically folding rear seats, so you can add 2 seats in the boot for the third row. The interior is finished in full leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury, with fold down centre armrests with dual cup holders, as well as the dual zone climate control in the rear. All 3 of the rear seats are also fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 3 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front, we have the flat bottom S-Line multifunction steering wheel, added virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top, and they are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of memory function for if you have multiple drivers. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using left side multifunction controls. On the right, your volume of voice controls, mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes. Underneath to the left, your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and the adaptive air suspension will raise and lower itself with ease to fit whichever mode you're in. As mentioned before, you get the 360-degree camera system, which gives you perfect visibility around the entirety of the vehicle, so you never have to worry about hitting any obstacles. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 50 TDI Quattro Tiptronic in Glacier white, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales